Introducing the new Integrity Series Recumbent bike. Access to this unit. To access key components in the motor housing and cover, you have to remove both crank arms and pedals. Only specialty tool that you'll need, everything else on this unit is metric. First step is removing the crank arms, actually from both sides. Pop out the cover. .14mm socket. Not all the way removed. Thread in a crank arm puller. Once you remove the crank arms from both sides, it's time to remove the shrouds. There's one screw hidden in the front bottom that you have to make sure that you remove first. To remove the shrouds, right side first, user right. This isn't held in place by the automotive style quick connects, which makes removing the shrouds much easier. Then simply remove the screws. Now simply remove the 3 screws that hold the right shroud in place. You'll notice with going to the generator, shroud is vented to allow better airflow. Then to remove the left shroud, simply remove 2 screws. And the quick connect. One major enhancement to the new Integrity Series are the placement of the interfaces for power and cable TV access located on the front. Going to be much more reliable moving forward. Same battery, unit plate construction for the generator mounting, and single drive system again. Big advantage of going with a generator driven system, everything is much more compact. Break off the generator for your resistance and the generator leads that provide your voltage for operation and speed inputs. Now reinstall the left-hand shroud first. Line up the automotive style quick connects with the slots in the frame. When you go to reinstall the pedals and the crank arms, line, bump, when you put the second pedal on is to make sure that they are 180 degrees displaced in opposite directions.